on number 17 it says, find a power function that has the given properties. So we have f of 1 is equal to 3, and f of 2 is equal to 12. And our first step is actually to find k. And I want to use the homogeneity property to do this. So if we look at the at the 2 points, if we look at the input to get from 1 to 2, you need to multiply by 2. To get from 3 to 12, you need to multiply by 4. So I can use that with the homogeneity property. So that means if the input is increased by 2, and I raised that to the k, then that's going to be equal to 4. So 2 raised to k is equal to 4. So 2 raised to what is equal to 4? Well, that's 2. So k is equal to 2. So my function up to this point would be f of x is equal to cx squared. So I have my k is 2. I just need to find out what that c is. So this is where we're at so far. So to find c, I want to plug in a point. And you can do really either one. So I'm going to plug in the 12 and the 2. So this is going to be 12 is equal to c2 squared. So then c is equal to 12 over 2 squared, or c is equal to 3. So my final answer is going to be f of x is equal to 3x squared. So my c is 3, my k is 2.